Batman studies his computer. Alfred, what crimes are there in Gotham City today? Master Bruce, I observe you at the Bat camera for antiphonics. Thanks, Alfred. Let's go to the Batty's lair. We're gonna have to hunt. What, Master Bruce? Me? No, me, I'm Robin and Green Lantern. Okay, go. Plus, what is that crazy echoing coming? Plus, what is that? Must be a Joker, I suppose. What is it? Must be a Joker. He's got an Arkham Asylum. Let's go in. But break it in, Joker, even if you're not ready. Oh, necessary, that's Batman. Oh, yeah? What the? It's deserted. Oh, yes, Batsy. You're just getting along with my creature. Yeah. What the root cop? Hulk Smashburg Butt. Hulk, stop. We're your friends, remember? Hulk don't have any friends. Friends, they're scared of Hulk. Hulk get angry. Hulk wants smash. Oh, yeah? Great, Hulk. And guess what? I've got a punch for you. Oh! Great work, Batman. Now we're gonna again grab like this. Hey, look, Batman. That's the Penguin. We've been out of jail for weeks. Never caught him. That's because I've been out seeing chickens. Batman, look, it's the Penguin. He's been out search for weeks. That's because I've been seeing the chronic bugs. Now, you're gonna have to get me now. What the? Where's the boy Wonder? I want to tell him a riddle. Bat goes up and never comes down. Football? No, you pathetic fucks. A car. Yes, I'm the riddle too. Yes. But a pity to see him. So I'll see him then in. Oh! I can't believe we've got Batman now. You come at me like a woolly bird. You'll just have your match for it. Oh yeah. Let's seal everything of nuts. For crime's sake, stop laughing. I said stop laughing! Stop laughing now, Joker. Okay, it'll be better to nut from your cats. Okay, Mr. Freeze, go and freeze anybody you can find. Okay, Joker. Dun 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 dun. Will the Batman get out of prison, or will the Joker turn them into gas? Find out in next